Hello and welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, where we tackle the random game and maybe learn a trick or two. If you're new to this sort of thing, there is a playlist on this channel. It's called Let's Play Solitaire. If you're looking for tips on how to get better, there's a playlist called Solitaire Tips. My favorite two videos on that are right here, but let's go ahead and get started with the game, right? The first thing I like to do is see move any columns that can be moved. So we got a 6 here. Now that's not always the case. Sometimes you have games where that isn't a move, isn't an option. Those can be tougher games unless you find an extra move or two. Okay, we got good news. We click on the draw pile. We can play this 4. That's a mistake I think it's made a lot of the time. Is I think you want to hold this to the end. Most of the time it's going to be better and save it as insurance for later, because we want to be able to move all these other cards around. And, yeah, I think, I'm trying to remember where this 8 came from. I might want to swap this 8 out and use that move. Let's see, let's go back a little bit. Okay, the 8 came from right here. So what we're going to do is we're not going to move this 8 yet. We may move it, because we need the space for a king, but we're going to see how the rest of this plays out. So nothing, we have the 7, okay. And this is a move that's like 100% better. If you have a 6 here and a 6 of clubs, see those two right there? The 6 of clubs is going to be a way better move. Number 1, because it's got a bunch of cards underneath it. Number 2, because this 6 of spades is at the very end of the draw pile. If it was at the very beginning of the draw pile, it might be close. It might be an open-ended question as to which one's a better move. Let's see what's under this king. Oops. 3, red 3. And that almost leads me to want to go back and take all the moves back, because the question I have is, where did this 3 of diamonds come from? What I'd like to be able to do is maybe swap this 3 of hearts out for the 3 of diamonds. So let's go back a little bit and see. Let's just go back a little bit and see where the 3 of diamonds came from. So 3 of diamonds came from right here. I'm gonna try the other angle. So let me go back again. Well, that angle ain't good. Oh no, it might work. Okay, so 6 we play right here. We need to move our king, didn't we? Okay. We move our king. There's the 3. There's the 5 of hearts there. So this angle is going to might work. Ace of hearts. We can put the 2 of hearts up, 3 of hearts up. So I think that angle has a lot of promise. We're going to go with that. And then we still have this 4 of hearts as our insurance card. So pretty sweet. Even though we changed a lot of stuff. Let's see if there's any other moves. Okay, there's the 7. We'll play that. We will play the 4 of hearts at some point, but we're going to, again, save it as insurance. There's the 9. Now we can play this 8. More importantly, we can play this 5. And, wow. So that move right there, I think, is going to be the difference. I'm glad I switched to that right away. Otherwise, this could have been like a 10-20 minute game, and I think we're going to get this done way faster because of that 3 of hearts. The way we maneuvered with that. I hope I made sense in my explanation of it. But I think that's going to be huge in getting this game solved. So let's go back again. We will play the 4 hearts, but not yet. And we're gonna play it so we can move this 3 here. I just want to see if there's any more moves. There's a king. There's the jack. Okay. And nothing there. Oh, we can move this 10. Another red 4, so that's kind of cool. I'm hesitant to do this, but I'm going to bring it down and keep my fingers crossed that the ace of diamonds is somewhere. Now I'm super hesitant. I'm going to wait. I'm going to see if we can put the 2 of diamonds back. Sorry, undo. I want to get the red queen. Oh, there is an ace of diamonds. Okay. But I want to get the red queen. That's kind of a priority here. Let's see what we need to do to get to that red queen. We need to move 2 cards in front of that. So this would be 1. one card. And we'll come back again and move a second one. I think the second one is going to be right here. The other option is if we move 4 cards, we could do that. Let's see what's under this 3 first. Okay, a 6 and a 5. I want to play this ace. I think we'll be able to get to it because there's a 4 of clubs here. But this ace is also critical, so you gotta be careful in how we maneuver here. And we also missed this 9 option, or I missed this 9. But that doesn't lead us anywhere, unfortunately. Let's see where this leads us. We're going to have the king we can play as well. We'll be able to play the ace of diamonds. We'll see where we're at. I think we can get to this 4 and then get the ace of clubs out. That's what I'm hoping, anyway. But the first thing first, we're going to do this king. And then we'll move this queen here. So we've got all 4 kings in play. We got the ace of diamonds. That's an important card because now we can move a few cards up here. And we just need to get this 7 column open pretty much. So, okay. There's the jack. We can play that. And we can play this 10 and the other jack. Now we need to figure out how to get this, to get the other ace going here. Well, we have the other ace right here. We got to figure out how to get this 4 out of the way. That's the question. And it might have, we're going to try an alternative route, I guess. That's not going to work. We're going to have to try the other route. So let's go back a little bit here. So we're going to go back a little more. So I think we're going to have to play this ace. I don't want to, but I think that's going to have to go that way. So we'll play the 8 here. This 2 will be our first card. It'll be our insurance card. And let's get to the ace of diamonds. We got to get to the ace of diamonds as well. That's the other thing we were trying to do here. So we need to move 1 card to get to the ace of diamonds if we want that to show up. So I believe that means we put the 2 of clubs here, and we leave the 4 clubs here. Oh, the 7 will be played later on. We can play the 7. It'll be the first card that shows up. Our first priority is going to be to play this ace of diamonds right here. So we'll click through in these other ones later on. And we're going to play the ace of diamonds right here, 2 of diamonds, 3 of diamonds, 3 of clubs right there. There's the 4 of hearts. And yeah, we're going to go through, and I'm playing conservative. I'm playing out of the very back of the draw pile. Just trying to maximize the number of moves. Sometimes it works great, sometimes it doesn't. But most of the time it's going to bear some fruit. So here we go. Let's go through again. There's the jack. And the other jack is going to get played right there. Okay. Now, again, back to the challenge. Can we get this column open? So we play the 7, and now a mistake that's made a lot of time is, okay, we play this 4 right away. Well, yes, sometimes not. We want to know what's behind there. There's a 4 diamonds we can play. We're going to want to play that first. So we can also play the 6, 5, and yeah. So we're going to play the 4 diamonds here, play the 4 clubs, and we play the 10. Now all we need to do is get the 7 moved around. I think we have the tools to do that, but we're going to have to choose between 1 or 2 different ways. We're going to need a red card and a black card, and the black card has to be clubs. Well, we could do spades. No, we can't do spades because we don't have the 2 of spades. The 2 of spades is in here. The black card has to be clubs. The red card could be diamonds or hearts. I think we're just gonna go with diamonds. So we're gonna play the 5 of diamonds here, 5 of clubs here. Now we got to get the 6 of diamonds and 6 of clubs. So if you'll notice, there's 2 red cards. If you said move the 5 of spades over and put the diamond up here, you are correct. So that's one angle. Now we need to get the 6 of clubs. If you'll notice, there's a 6 of spades here. We need to move the 5 of hearts over. So we're going to do that. Now we can do the 7 of diamonds. And if you'll notice, there's 2 black 7s. If you said move the 6 of hearts over, you're correct. Actually, I said that backwards. The 7 of clubs goes here, and then the 7 of spades goes right here. Sorry about that. Now there are 2 8s, 8 of diamonds and an 8 of hearts. We're going to move the 7 of spades over, right there. And now we can move this 8 of hearts over here. There's the 9 of clubs, and there should be the 2 of spades underneath there, and we have solved it. So pretty cool. Hopefully that trick I showed you at the end made a little bit of sense. But that's what you need to do in situations like that. When you're kind of stuck, you got to pick 2 cards, one red, one black, and figure out the way to get them both to the top, and then open up that column. And like I said earlier, if you like this sort of thing, there's a playlist with more games just like today's. It's titled Let's Play Solitaire. And if you're looking for tips on how to get better, there's a playlist titled Solitaire Tips. My favorite 2 are listed right here. One's like 25 minutes long, the other's like 35 minutes long. So anyway, that's going to wrap this up. I'd like to thank you for watching and wish you good luck.